Thanks so much for joining us at Valuation Expo 2024. We've got lots of cool new features this year, including the Val Expo app, which we know you're going to love. This is going to make it so much easier for you to network, keep up with what's going on at the conference, and stay in touch with the folks you meet. First things first, download the app onto your mobile device. I promise it's easy. You should have already received a Val Expo 2024 welcome email that looks like this. You can actually open this app in the desktop, but the easiest thing to do is open the email on your mobile device, scroll down, and click one of these two buttons to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Find your personal passcode in the email and copy it. Once the app downloads, open it on your mobile device. Now type in your email address, accept the terms and conditions, and enter the passcode. Bam, you're in. You don't have to accept notifications, but we hope you do. That way we can let you know what's going on during the conference, like scheduled changes, event reminders, things like that. We promise not to overdo it with these messages. So your basic information, name, company name, etc., are already in the app now, but you can add more info like a headshot and a bio, your interests, and your socials. Now your profile is ready. So you can check out the schedule, exhibitors, sponsors, and speakers, and you can even start sending messages to peers on the social channel, or just say hi. Once you're at the conference, it's easy to exchange contact information with people you meet by scanning each other's QR codes. You can add notes about each new contact and even schedule meetings right there in the app. Then you've got about a month to download that info once you get back to the office, before the app goes dark. By the way, if you do not see this email in your inbox, don't worry. We'll give you your passcode at registration. It'll be right there on your badge, and we'll help you download the app and get started using it. See you next week at Val Expo. We seriously cannot wait.